Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. With this thought, let's begin our class. Everyone in this world loves cricket because cricket is the most interesting game. Students, have a look at this video.
It's gone a long, long way.
What did you observe in this video? Yes, my dear children, a batsman is hitting 6. After hitting 6, in your television, you can see a picture like this. What does this picture represent? Yes, the red color lines in the picture represents the distance travelled by the ball. Yes, my dear students, in today's class, we are going to learn about distance and displacement. What is distance? Distance is the actual length of the path travelled by the object. It is a scalar quantity because it is having magnitude alone. This magnitude denotes the length of the path. The SI unit of distance is meter. Next topic is displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of the object. This displacement is a vector quantity because it is having both magnitude and direction. The SI unit of displacement is meter. Look at the following picture. It clearly explains the difference between distance and displacement. The shortest distance from A to B is known as displacement. The longest distance of A to B is known as distance. The next one is speed. Speed is the quantity which shows how fast the body is moving. In technical term, speed is defined as the distance travelled in an unit time. The formula of speed is a distance by time. From this, we can identify that the SI unit of speed is meter per second or ms minus 1. Next one is velocity. Velocity is the quantity which shows the speed as well as the direction of the moving body. It is defined as the rate of change of displacement. The formula of velocity is displacement by time. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Now let's discuss the difference between speed and velocity. Speed is the distance travelled by a moving body per unit time. But velocity is the distance travelled by a moving body in a particular direction. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. The next topic which we are going to discuss is acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity or it is the change of velocity in unit time. In acceleration, change in velocity denotes change in speed, change in direction and change in both speed and direction. Acceleration is a vector quantity. The formula of acceleration is change in velocity by time taken. It is given by the formula A is equal to V minus U by T, where V is the final velocity and U is the initial velocity and T denotes time. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second squared. Okay students, let's recall the topics which we had learnt in this section. The first one is distance. Distance is the actual length of the path. Displacement denotes the shortest distance between initial and final position of an object. Next one is speed. Speed is the quantity which shows how fast the body is moving. But velocity is the quantity which shows the speed as well as direction of the moving body. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Okay students, let's have a small quiz on the topics which we had learnt in this class. The first question is, displacement is a dash quantity. Yes, my dear children, your answers are correct. Displacement is a vector quantity because it denotes both magnitude and direction. Shall we move to the second question? Yes, the second question is, what is the SI unit of acceleration? Can you guess the answer? Yes, your answers are correct. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Very good students. Okay students, hope you had enjoyed the class. I will meet you in another class with another interesting and new topics. Thank you students.